Adventure boys here, southern islands of Micronesia. We're on Kapingamarangi. Me and my brother Raven. We're doing the round island loop with our backpacks.
The island is free, everything free. No pay for money, yeah? Oh, the ocean is very clean, yeah? Fish fresh.
Look at the colors of blue and turquoise. Ceruleans. He's coming in off the open ocean with a hut over the water. Here's a relic from times past. Archaeological site. Significant. These blocks may have been carved with adzes made from giant clamshell or even whale teeth. Tank farm. This is a dry area. On the equator, there can be intermittent rains, and so this island is prone to drought. We're going and hunting tank for shower. Fresh water. We're all sweated up. We had a hustle all morning to get filming again. Look at the alleyway back towards the end of the island. Look at all these bananas. And this is our friend. Verona. I heard you guys had a cruise ship here. A big hit and success. So now people can get a walk around view. So many colors of blue in the sea, in the sky. Rich natural environment. We were asking, what's the name of this island?
And this one is Welu.
Welu. Oh, okay.
Welu,
you know,
and the other one Soho.
Kapinga canoe. Great for sailing and for fishing. But you really need some good balance and abdominal strength to prevent from flipping them over. There's some more. Oh, look it up here. These are all eel traps, which are a special design, unique and authentic to Kapingamarangi. And they eat the eels during certain ceremonies. No doubt giant trevallies come through here. This is all virgin waters to lure fishing. We're back on the bridge, coming back across to the main island. And we've just got a picturesque evening. There's a beautiful breeze blowing. It's not overly hot. Residents. Maria Koru. Here's some friends from the island. This little guy. What's your name? Okay. Back to the main island. You guys are probably starting to get the hang of this place. Bungalow, where we slept last night. We're super comfortable. Mick. Yeah, take a rest. The main drive. There's no addresses. There's no special zip code, and there's no postal delivery. But Mother Nature provides all that's needed here on this island, and the people have the knowledge and the spirit to make it really work. Hard-working people, as you can see from the well-kept appearance of the island. This is of some interest here. Chicken layers box, island style. Chickens would just jump in there and lay their eggs, and they lay right there also in the bananas. Oh, hey, wow, what do you have there? I think those look like clams. What do you call those in Kapingis?
Bahua.
Bahua. I wish I had a chance to go catch some of those. Those are delicious. Life takes place down here at the water's edge. It's a day for loading the ship, so it's a busy day. Boats will be going back and forth all day. The kids are here helping. See, there's actually loading copra here. All these copra will go into slings and they'll be sold back on Pohnpei. These guys are playing, standing by. We've got Captain Yoshino, the fisherman. This is an interesting technique he's using. Coconuts are heavy, so people who really know copra figure out ways to fling them around with either their knife or, in this case, the spear. And this prevents having to bend over time and time again. We have the kids working together, which is always a beautiful thing. This is a major source of income for the island. I know, plenty of them around. Maria Korua.
Oh, Maria. This is a beautiful island. It's free, everything free. No pay for money, yeah? The only thing you need to climb, need to know how to climb to get the food. That's it. That's the life on island, yeah? And then get the fish, dive in. You know, ooh, the ocean is very clean, yeah? Fish fresh. Ooh.
Oh, well, thank you so much for the insight and truly the beauty.
Smell leaves, then, you know, smell good.
The way you maintain and keep the island is truly impeccable. Thank you for your time, and what a blessing to be here. Hope to see you again. This tranquil, beautiful place. They know how to carve their wood. They know how to build their house. They know how to fish. And so life is really simple. Not many foreigners have the patience to stay on an island like this for very long. But for myself, I treasure it. I'd like to stay for weeks and months. We're clearing out of Kapingamarangi right now. Beautiful sunny day. Crystal clear waters. Clean air. Different colors. Blue. We're delivering copra out to the ship. It's a big commodity here on the island. And it's also a major food source. Kapingamarangi Southern Island Tour, Adventure Boys YouTube channel. Like and subscribe.